We're at North County Indian Motorcycles, and today we're looking at a 2019 Indian Chieftain Dark Horse. This one is in the Thunder Black Smoke. It's got the engine guards front and rear. Really cool arrowhead rear brake pedal. Has carbon fiber stickers on top of the locking saddlebags to prevent boot scuffs from you or your passenger. And this bike also has ABS on it. We are keyless. We run off of a fob. We have a power button. And miles are 4,038. Again, we're at North County Indian Motorcycles. We're located in San Marcos, California. And we are open for test rides 6 days a week. Come check it out.